Hey guys, it's Ellie and it's bonfire season. So today we're going to be showing you 3 fun and easy recipes to make over the fire. We're also going to be featuring our new Garnen FDA-approved roasting sticks, which come in an assortment of colors and they come in a pack of 8. Perfect for roasting stuff over the fire. Okay, let's try these recipes out. All right, now that we're outside and next to the campfire, let's try out some of those recipes. All right, so first we're gonna start with our classic s'more. All right, so we got a little bit burnt here, but that's okay. Going for my graham cracker and chocolate. There you go. All right, with our other marshmallow, we're going to do our Nutella s'more. Ooh, that looks really good. Okay, so we got ourselves a pretty perfect marshmallow. Grab our 2 graham crackers. Actually, I want to get a little peanut butter first. That looks tasty. Okay, now it's time for our marshmallow dipped strawberry. I'm gonna take the top right off. Okay, we've got our strawberry here. We've got our marshmallow dip here. Gonna take a really big old scoop of that. I know, I'm so sorry. This one's for me. You can have the next one. All right, so we've got our cinnamon rolls, and what we're gonna do is actually wrap them tightly around one of the prongs over here like so. And you wanna make sure it's pretty secure because once you get this over the fire, it might get a little droopy. Our second one. All right, that looks good. So what you wanna do once you get it onto the fire, you wanna keep it a little farther away from the flames so it doesn't get charred. But you also wanna remember to cook it all the way through since we're working with raw dough. All right, these look pretty darn good. So we're gonna put a little bit of cream cheese icing on there. Oh, it's gonna be delicious. And there we go. Well, it's campfire food. It's not about the presentation, it's about the taste. These taste pretty good. And you can't forget your Garnen campfire roasting sticks for all of your campfire recipe needs. Thanks for watching.